Bonjour, c'est Laurence et bienvenue dans la vidéo numéro 7, je crois que c'est le numéro 7, oui, de French Fun at Quai des Fleurs. Hello, it's Lauren and welcome to video number 7 of French Fun at Quai des Fleurs. Today we're going to do a general knowledge quiz, 8 questions, a different number of marks per question. And what I'm going to do is give you 15 seconds or so to answer, and then I'll give you all the answers at the end. Feel free to pause the video if you haven't got enough time to answer. Some people have said it's going a bit too fast, but obviously you can pause the video and then take all the time you want in order to answer the questions. Okay, are you ready? Vous êtes prêts? On y va. Question numéro 1. Nommez les pays qui ont une frontière avec la France métropolitaine. Nommez les pays qui ont une frontière avec la France métropolitaine. 8 points, 8 pays. Question numéro 2. Qui a chanté la chanson Comme d'habitude? Et c'est la version française de quelle chanson? 2 points. Qui a chanté la chanson Comme d'habitude? Et c'est la version française de quelle chanson? Numéro 3, un petit peu de mathématiques. Si j'additionne 48 et 37, j'obtiens quel nombre? Si j'additionne 48 et 37, j'obtiens quel nombre? Donc 48 plus 37. Numéro 4. Dans quelle région de France se trouve le Mont Saint-Michel? Dans quelle région de France se trouve le Mont Saint-Michel? Question numéro 5, un point encore une fois. Alors, l'apéro ou l'apéritif, qui est bien sûr quelque chose qu'on aime beaucoup faire en France, l'apéro ou l'apéritif est un mot qui vient du latin et qui veut dire, voici les 3 choix, partager, manger ou ouvrir. Alors, de quel mot latin vient le mot apéro ou apéritif? Partager, manger ou ouvrir? Numéro 6, 3 points pour le numéro 6. Quelle est la devise de la France? 3 points, 3 mots. Quelle est la devise de la France? Numéro 7. Comment s'appelait Paris il y a 2000 ans? Comment s'appelait Paris il y a 2000 ans? Et enfin, numéro 8. En quelle année ont eu lieu les premiers congés payés? En quelle année ont eu lieu les premiers congés payés? Un point. Il fait chaud, chaud, chaud aujourd'hui. Ok, donc voilà, c'était toutes vos questions. That was all your questions for today. So here are the answers. Voici les réponses. Question numéro 1. À nommer les pays qui ont une frontière avec la France, you had to name the countries that had a border with France, as in metropolitan France. I did say la France métropolitaine. Donc, ces pays sont la Belgique, le Luxembourg, l'Allemagne, l'Autriche, la Suisse, l'Italie, l'Espagne. Et le numéro 8, un tout petit pays, Monaco ou Monte-Carlo. Donc, 8 points, je répète, la Belgique, le Luxembourg, l'Allemagne, l'Autriche, la Suisse, l'Italie, l'Espagne et Monaco. Numéro 2. Qui a chanté la chanson Comme d'habitude? Who sang the song Comme d'habitude? And it was Claude François. Et c'est la version française de quelle chanson? And it's the French version of which song? The answer was My Way. Just for the story, that's a song that was first created and written by Frenchmen in 1967. It then became My Way. The English version was created by Paul Anka in 1968. And then in 1969, possibly the most famous version was Frank Sinatra. But originally it was a French song. So that was worth 2 points. 1 point for My Way and 1 point for Claude François. Numéro 3. Si j'additionne 48 et 37, if I add 48 and 37, I end up with 85. 85. 85. 1 point for the maths. Numéro 4. Dans quelle région se trouve le Mont Saint-Michel? In which area, in which region will you find St. Michael's Mount, Mont Saint-Michel? And the answer was Normandie, la Normandie. Just for the little story, I'm from Brittany, for those of you who don't know. And Brittany and Normandy have not fought exactly, but argued a little bit over the years over where St. Michael Mount is. In the 9th century, it was actually on the territory of Brittany. And then it was Normandy, and then it was Brittany again, and then it was Normandy again. And it's been Normandy for quite some time now. And we have a saying in Brittany which goes le Quenu dans sa folie a mis le mont en Normandie. Le Quenu is the name of the river that separates Brittany from Normandy. Et le Quenu dans sa folie, the Quenu in its madness, a mis le mont en Normandie, placed the mount in Normandy. Okay, so that was 1 point for Normandy, la Normandie. Numéro 5, l'apéro, l'apéritif est un mot qui vient du latin et qui veut dire was it partager, was it manger, was it ouvrir, was it share, was it to eat, was it to open? The answer was ouvrir, to open. L'apéro is the thing that opens a meal. It's what we have before dinner generally. Numéro 6, hein, la devise de la France, the French motto. Liberté, égalité, fraternité. 3 points. Liberté, égalité, fraternité. Freedom, equality, brotherhood or fraternity. It was a motto invented during the French Revolution, but only legally adopted by France in the 19th century. Bit more history. Comment s'appelait Paris il y a 2000 ans? That was question number 7. What was the name of Paris 2000 years ago? And all the children in France who read Asterix comic books will know the answer to that. It was Lutèce. Lutèce. L-U-T-E grave. That's the accent that goes downwards. C-E. So that was worth 1 point. Un point. Et enfin, numéro 8, still a bit more history. En quelle année ont été créés les congés payés? What was the year of the first paid annual leave for French workers? And the answer was 1936. 1936. 1936. Un point. It was the Front Populaire, led by Léon Blum, who created paid leave for French workers. At the time, if I remember correctly, it was just 2 weeks of paid leave per year. So in total today, we've got 18 points, 18 points. And I feel a little bit like a presenter from, what's that competition called? Oh, the Eurovision Song Contest, I have to say, especially with question number 1 when I was naming all the countries. La Belgique, 1 point. Le Luxembourg, 5 points. No, joking. Anyway, I hope you're well. I hope you've enjoyed the quiz. I hope you're looking after yourself and looking after your family, and you're not finding the lockdown and confinement too hard to bear. I'm just going to show you a little bit of the landscape that surrounds me today. I'm on the terrace at Quai des Fleurs. This is the river. La rivière, le fleuve, pardon, pas la rivière. À chaque fois, je me trompe. Et voici donc l'arrière de la terrasse avec la magnifique glycine. La glycine, the wisteria, which is just magnificent at the moment. Ok, je vous dis au revoir pour aujourd'hui et à bientôt. Portez-vous bien. Salut!